Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp status quality problem. Ever uploaded a WhatsApp status and thought, why does it look like it was filmed with a potato? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. If your WhatsApp status quality looks blurry or compressed, there are a few things you can try to improve it. First, open WhatsApp, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, go to Storage and Data, then tap Upload Quality and make sure HD quality is selected. This allows WhatsApp to use higher quality uploads whenever possible. If the issue still happens, go to your iPhone settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage, and find WhatsApp in the list. Open it and tap Offload app. This removes the app itself while keeping your chats and data safe, and reinstalling it can often fix temporary issues. Another thing you should check is whether WhatsApp is updated. Open your Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, and if you see an update button, install the latest version. Many quality problems are caused by outdated versions of the app. Also, keep in mind that poor internet connections can cause extra compressions, so uploading over a stable Wi-Fi connection may help preserve image and video quality. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.